morning, dear students. Welcome to today's revision class. So, with all your work hard and all your energy, everything, we have successfully completed the first semester. So, now we'll have our examination. Examination means midterm exam, where you are going to complete the first sem. So today we will discuss what are the mains and how you are going to face the exam. So children, if you have the old book which you are going continuously writing TT1 and TT2, the same book, if you have the pages, you can continue in the same book. You can keep the same book to write the question answers for the midterm also. If you don't have, you can keep a new book for all the subjects. Okay, you can keep a single line notebook for all the subjects. So the midterm examination will be for you for 15 marks, as we have already finished 10 marks project, where those who have submitted their projects on time will be getting 10 marks, and those who have submitted late, their marks will be reduced. Okay, so the next 40 marks will be the writing part. The next 40 marks will be writing part. Before you used to write for 25 marks, where 5 marks were internals such as classwork checking, worksheet writing, everything, and 20 marks you used to write. Now this time you are going to write for 40 marks, and the timing will be for you to write is 1 hour. You should sit and write 1 hour the examination, and 10 marks you have to send your projects to the teacher. Okay, they have everyone, those who have submitted online, when the teacher has asked you, you will be getting surely 10 marks, and those who have submitted late, they will be getting lesser marks. Now today we will discuss about the literature and grammar chapters for which you are going to write the exam. So in literature, children, you will be having 1 to 8 lessons. All the lessons will be covered from literature till 1 to 8. Whatever the lessons, see, the morning rush on the coconut tree, the sweet smell, no bird, the greedy dog, we are going to the zoo, the new shawl, book cover. So these are the chapters for which you are going to write the exam. I think all the videos, all the notes, everything you have got through these chapters. So there will be 1 to 8 chapters for midterm in literature. So now we will discuss about the mains for which you are going to write the exam. First, children, you will be having the same multiple choice method. Okay, multiple choice questions will be given to you, where the same 4 options will be given, where you have to write the correct answer. Children, write only the correct answer. Write first main, whether what is the question number 1 and what is the correct answer, whether it is A, B, C or D. Just mention it and write down multiple choice question, first main, first one, and the correct answer. Write the answer also. You will be getting 15 marks of multiple choice question. Other will be divided into different mains, but first main will be multiple choice question, and these questions will be selected from all the chapters from 1 to 8. Tick the correct answer where there will be, so it will be selected from all the 1 to 8 chapters. So refer the revision worksheet which I am going to post you. Okay, write the revision worksheets in your homework book and go through the revision. I have mentioned all the page numbers. Go through all the mains and read, children. It will be more enough for you for your midterm exam. So see, now for you in multiple choice, the questions will be like this. The dog had to cross a river. The question will be, the dog had to cross a dash. The answers will be given: option A, river; option B, pool; option C, tunnel; option D, bridge. So which is the correct answer here? The answer is A. Here you have to write like this. First one, option A is correct, and the answer is river. Okay, all the first main will be getting multiple choice. You can write like this. The next, you have to refer all the 8 chapters and the given worksheet, children. Next will be the match the following. For match the following, you have to go to the page number which I have mentioned here, page number 20 and 59. Can you please open page number 20, children, everyone, along with me? I can explain here, you can go through it. Okay, here in page number 20, you have few match the following. Some are in rhyming words, some are in opposite words. See here, grandma, grandpa, she, he. So some are rhyming words, house, mouse, hut, cut, bad, dad. So some are in opposite, grandma, grandpa, she, he. So select the opposite words and study from page number 20, and next from page number 59. The same as the following: big, small, heavy, light, tall, short will be there. You have to study all this also for the match the following. Next, look at the picture from page number 28 and 29. You have to see the picture and write what is the picture related to. Page number 28, you have the names of people, nouns. Okay, people, person, animals, things and all. Like missing letters, it will be given. You have to complete it by seeing page number 28 and 29. You have to study and you have to write the answer. You have to complete the missing letter. Next, write one word. Next, page number 30, children, write one word. See, in page number 30, you have, there is an image. The flower has a, what does the flower has? Smell. Answer is smell. Write only the answer. Next, the elephant has a trunk. Write only trunk. Similarly, you go through all the questions in that main. Refer page number 30 and 31 for this main. Next, fill in the blanks will be given from page number 33. There also you have to see the image and write down. I am large, I have a mane, I roar, I am a lion. I fly, I have feathers and a beak, I am a bird. So a certain thing will be, a certain sentence will be given where it will be referred to a animal. You have to imagine that animal and write it in the dash. So refer page number 33. Next, circle the correct name from page number 58 and 59. Whatever the worksheets I have given, refer, children, please. 58 and 59, see, certain images are given. For example, here they have given a cap in page number 58 and they have mentioned sweater, socks and cap. Which is the correct answer? It is cap, right? So write down only cap in the answer. Similarly, go through all the main from 58 and 59. Next will be answer the following, which will be coming you from all the lessons, okay, from 1 to 8. For everything, you just go through the revision worksheet which I am going to post you daily. After this revision video, I'll send you the revision worksheets also. Cleanly write it in your homework book and study, children, that, okay. It will be very good. I want everyone to score good marks. Next, moving on to grammar. Yes, in grammar, children, you have from chapters 1 to 11. Noun, common and proper noun, singular and plural, adding yes, adding es, this and that, these and those, singular and plural, male and female, pronouns, a and position words. 11 chapters you will be having for your grammar, that is English language. So the same method, again 15 marks you will be getting for the multiple choice method. The first main will be multiple choice where the questions will be selected from all the 11 chapters. The same thing you have to continue. 4 options will be given. You have to mention the proper main number and the sub number and the proper answer, and you have to write the 15 answers only. Write only the answers. Don't need of writing any question. Next, you have to underline proper noun and circle common noun. Where the proper noun you have to underline and you have to circle the common noun. Refer the worksheet which I will post you. You go through the worksheet, children. Next, name these pictures. In page number 12 you have Name these pictures. Few images will be given. For example, see here in page number 12, you can go through all the images where selected images will be given. You have to write their names. Okay, image will be given, you have to write their names. Next, change the words into singular to plural. Where the words will be given in singular, you have to convert it into plural and write it. For that, you can refer from page number 24 and 25. Boxes. Write only the answer, children. BOX, box, if the question is there, write BOXES. Write the whole answer. Please don't write ES. After telling many times also, one or two students have written yes, IES. That is not a way to write, and I won't give the marks also. Write the complete word, BOXES, boxes. So you have to refer 2 pages also to write this main. Next, add IES. That will be from page number 44 and 45, where you have to write the answer by adding IES. Puppy, PUPP, drop Y, right, add IES and complete the word IES by adding IES. Next, you have male and female nouns from page number 50 and 51. See, in page number 50 and 51, you have to match the animal with their female. Example, lion has been given. You have to match it to the female. Lion, lioness. Peacock, peahen. Rooster, hen. Bull, cow. You have to match the male noun to the female noun to the male noun. Here you have to match brother, sister, mother, father. Like that questions will be given. You have to match to the male words to the female words. Next, in the last main, you have to go through page number 51, the last main, where you have to write 5 nouns which are neither male and nor female. No male, no female. Apart from that, we have few things which are not at all male also, not female also. Like that, similar 5 words you have to write. You can select and write your own words also for this last main. Okay. By this, I complete my first semester revision for literature and grammar, children. Hope everyone have understood what I have taught during these many days. Thank you for all the cooperation, children. Hope we will continue the same in the next sem also. All the best for your all the subjects, all the exams. So do well, children. So thank you everyone. Score good marks in all the subjects. If you have any doubt, we'll conduct a live class where you can clarify the doubt in our live class. Okay, children. Thank you. Study well.